In this lesson, we're gonna talk about template strings. We can name it template strings or string templates or even template literals. We can do it using, we've learned before how to create string. For example, var text equals to. We use this as an old way. We can use double quotation or single quotation. In this lesson, we're gonna use the backticks. So let's create a new string. Var new text equals to hello world. We use here the backticks, and this template string is better than the old way, and it has more features than the old way. For example, you here cannot create a multi-line strings. Look, you get an error. If you want to create a multi-line here, you need to add /n, okay? But here, look, you can create a multi-line without any errors, and let's log it to see. New text, look here, hello and 2 lines and world. You can add spaces or add more lines. Or you can even use /n here too. Look, as the old string. We have another feature. You can also use quotes inside this string. For example, let's change this to I am John. Look here, I added a single quotation. And you can also add double quotations. Look, added here double quotations and single quotation. If you want to do this in old string, you should add /and2 like this. But here inside our new literal string, you can use it as simple as this. Put variables inside string in old way and new way. Let's create 2 variables, var first name equals to John, and let's create var second name to Sina. So let's create a welcome message. Var welcome equals to do this in old way, you need to separate words like this. Welcome, and add plus, and add first name, and add plus, and add this comma, and add plus, and add last name. Oops, let's rename this last name, not second. And last name, and plus. Okay, so now let's console.log this welcome. Welcome. Look, now we have here welcome John Cena. We have here a headache. We cannot create it in a new way. For example, let's create a variable var new welcome. And let's console.log it. New welcome. Let's remove those lines. In our new welcome, we're gonna use template strings. So we're gonna type welcome. No need to add plus like this. We're gonna add, if you want to add a variable inside the string, just you need to add a $sign and add curly brackets and put your variable inside it. Like first name. Look. We have here welcome, first name is John. So welcome John. We just add the variable between curly brackets and start with a $sign. Okay? No need to add plus and add this mark. You just add it like this. Look here, when we add it, we can see it. So we want to add our last name. So you just need to add this $sign and type last name. Okay? And finally, add this mark. We just put all of this inside single string. We didn't need to add those pluses and all of those double quotations. And you can press here to create a new line. Press again to create 2 lines. Okay? You just took your variables and put it inside this string. Calculations using template strings. For example, if we have var price equals to 100 and we have another variable of VAT equals to 0.25. Let's console.log our total VAT. And let's declare this variable var total VAT equals to, we're gonna use our template string and we can just type total equals to, total VAT equals to, just add your $sign and you can to get the multiplication of those two numbers. Price times that. And we got here 25. That was our lesson. I hope this lesson was easy. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.